In today's product spotlight, I'll be introducing you to the Ink Expert's 38x38 swing press. This comes in our exclusive hot magenta pink and is a simple, robust design. No extraneous parts that may go wrong, just simple, robust and not overly complicated. It has a manual timer switch on the side that you can use to turn the timer on and off. You can adjust the temperature from the control box here. The pressure can be changed by adjusting the pressure knob just here, and the swing arm can be moved from left to right freely. It has two heat pads, a foam one and a silicone one. Both of these need to be present when you're pressing. And to press, you simply pull the lever down. This press is ideal for anything of a slightly larger size. Cushion covers are perfect, t-shirts. It can also do rigid items like glass, ceramics and slates. Ideal for those looking to do anything a little bit larger than what our small baby press can do.